There's something about vinyl that digital music still can't fully replace. The warmth, the texture, the physical connection to the music. But to truly unlock that rich analog sound, you need an amplifier that's built specifically to honor the character of your turntable and cartridge. In this video, I am going to show you the best stereo amplifiers for vinyl lovers in 2026. From glowing tube-inspired masterpieces to high-current analog powerhouses engineered to extract every last detail hidden inside your records. Whether you want warm, lush, vintage tonality, ultra-quiet phono stages, massive speaker driving power, or beautifully tactile old-school controls, these amplifiers are designed to make your vinyl collection sound breathtakingly alive. And trust me, some of these amplifiers deliver such rich, emotional analog sound, they can completely change the way you experience records forever. Links are in the description, and all the products are listed in the pinned comment. Let's get started. Number 5. Technics SUG700M2. The Technics SUG700M2 is a brilliant, multifaceted technical disruptor that fundamentally rewrites the rules of analog playback by utilizing highly advanced digital architecture to perfectly preserve the soul of vinyl. Designed as the ultimate companion to the legendary Technics SL1 series turntables, this amplifier is a visually stunning masterpiece. The front panel features two massive, breathtakingly illuminated analog VU meters that dominate the brushed aluminum fascia, providing a gorgeously retro aesthetic that honors the golden age of hi-fi. However, the internal engineering is radically advanced. It utilizes Technics' proprietary Geno engine, a fully digital amplifier technology that processes the audio signal entirely in the digital domain to completely eradicate analog distortion and background noise. For the dedicated vinyl lover, the true magic lies in the intelligent phono EQ. When you plug your turntable into the dedicated inputs, the amplifier uses a highly precise DSP to actively cancel out the specific crosstalk and frequency anomalies of your exact phono cartridge, acting like a surgical room correction system specifically for your needle. Furthermore, the load adaptive phase calibration measures the exact impedance curve of your specific speakers and optimizes the amplifier's output to match them flawlessly. It is a highly intelligent, intensely accurate acoustic instrument that leverages cutting-edge technology to deliver the purest, most expansive vinyl experience possible. Number 4. Rega Illicit MK5. The Rega Illicit MK5 represents the absolute pinnacle of minimalist British analog engineering, designed explicitly by a company globally renowned for building some of the finest turntables on Earth. When the engineers who master the mechanics of vinyl playback build an amplifier, the resulting synergy is nothing short of breathtaking. Housed in a completely redesigned heavy-duty custom-cast aluminum case, this amplifier acts as a massive heat sink, ensuring stable, distortion-free operation even during extended listening sessions. For the audiophile who demands absolute mid-range transparency and a highly energetic live presentation, the Illicit MK5 is an absolute triumph. It features one of the most highly regarded built-in moving magnet phono stages in the industry, meticulously engineered to extract the absolute finest micro details with surgical precision. Delivering an authoritative 105 watts per channel, it utilizes a sophisticated Class A/B amplifier circuit with a massive custom toroidal transformer that ensures perfect channel balance and dynamic speed, even at whisper-quiet, late-night listening levels. The front panel interface is an exercise in elegant simplicity, featuring distinct tactile push buttons and a highly precise Alps volume potentiometer, making it an exquisitely crafted precision instrument that completely vanishes into the music. Number 3. Yamaha AS2200. The Yamaha AS2200 is a towering, heirloom-quality masterpiece of Japanese acoustic engineering, completely rejecting the modern trend of lightweight, disposable electronics in favor of massive mechanical integrity. For the senior audiophile who yearns for the tactile romance and heavy-duty build of vintage 1970 seconds audio gear, this amplifier is an emotional revelation. The physical presence is unmistakably premium, featuring gorgeous, thick wooden side panels and a thick brushed aluminum faceplate. The absolute centerpiece of the front panel is the dual, warmly illuminated analog VU meters that physically dance to the dynamics of the music, providing a deeply satisfying visual connection to the spinning record. Beneath this breathtaking exterior lies Yamaha's legendary mechanical ground concept, where the massive toroidal transformer and block capacitors are bolted directly to the chassis, aggressively dampening any external vibrations to ensure the delicate analog signal remains dead silent. For the turntable purist, The AS2200 houses a fully discrete phono head amplifier with a dedicated physical toggle switch on the front panel to effortlessly select between M&M and MC cartridges. Delivering a conservative but incredibly high current 90 watts per channel, it utilizes a completely balanced floating power amplifier layout that provides a remarkably warm, organic, and non-fatiguing sound signature, exerting total, gripping control over your speakers. Number 2. Marantz Model 30. The Marantz Model 30 is a masterful execution of pure, unadulterated analog engineering, entirely stripped of digital inputs and network streamers to focus exclusively on reference-level vinyl playback. For the mature listener who despises the clinical black plastic box look of standard electronics but refuses to compromise on acoustic warmth, this purely analog integrated amplifier is a sculptural masterpiece. It features the stunning, illuminated Marantz porthole display and a heavily textured front fascia that commands absolute respect on any credenza. The absolute defining technical feature for the vinyl enthusiast is the inclusion of the Marantz Musical Premium Phono EQ. This built-in phono stage is so exceptionally engineered that it rivals standalone phono preamplifiers costing thousands of dollars. It features a physical, highly tactile rotary knob on the front panel that allows you to instantly switch between moving magnet and 3 distinct moving coil impedance settings, meaning you can perfectly match the electrical load to your specific, high-end cartridge without ever touching a complicated digital menu. Utilizing their proprietary hyperdynamic amplifier modules, the Model 30 delivers a remarkably warm, musical, and highly organic sound signature. The high notes of a violin or a female soprano are rendered with a smooth, forgiving richness that drastically reduces ear strain during long listening sessions, making it the ultimate command center for an expansive analog library. Number 1. MC Intosh MA252. The MC Intosh MA252 is a breathtaking heirloom-quality masterpiece that flawlessly bridges the gap between classic vacuum tube warmth and unstoppable solid-state power. For the seasoned audiophile who yearns for the romantic, glowing aesthetic of a vintage tube amplifier but demands the iron-fisted bass control required to drive massive, premium, floor-standing speakers, this hybrid design is an absolute revelation. Visually, it is a stunning homage to the legendary MC Intosh MC275, featuring a highly polished stainless steel chassis and vacuum tubes housed inside protective cages that glow a mesmerizing green when fully warmed up. Bypassing the delicate analog signal from your turntable through these vacuum tubes in the preamplifier stage, the MA252 imbues the music with a remarkably lush, forgiving, and organic texture that completely eliminates ear fatigue. This rich, tube-driven signal is then handed off to a direct-coupled solid-state amplifier that delivers a staggering 100 watts per channel into 8 ohms, ensuring that dynamic orchestral crescendos hit with absolute physical authority. Crucially, for the vinyl lover, it features a highly advanced, dedicated moving magnet phono input heavily shielded from the main power supply, guaranteeing a dead-silent background floor where the subtle breath of a jazz vocalist can emerge with startling clarity. The front panel honors the tactile joy of traditional hi-fi, featuring heavily damped, beautifully machined rotary dials for input selection and volume, making it a rugged, deeply emotional instrument that extracts the absolute soul of your record collection. So, that wraps up our list of the best stereo amplifiers for vinyl lovers in 2026. If this video was useful to you, kindly click the thumbs up button. Which one will you pick? Describe your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an updates. Everyone who had come this far, I'm hoping to see you in the next video.